the Atlantic Ocean. We are in Atlantic City, New Jersey, enjoying the beach, and it's all ours. People always joke that when we go on vacation there's no one else around. I don't know what they're talking about. I mean, it's a beach. Everybody's on the beach. It's February. It's freezing cold. But we're here because we're crazy. But the ocean is still here too, and it's awesome to watch. Just as mesmerizing in February as it is in August. Thanks for enjoying this with us. Have a great day and do something nice.